Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to do another remake of a squishy, and the squishy that I'm going to be remaking today is this little avocado here. So this avocado I made, I think it's over 2 years, almost 3 years ago now, which is so wild to me, and I still have it. I kept all of my original squishies because I knew one day I'd want to remake them when I got a little bit better. Today's squishy has turned out great, but I'm not going to show you it just yet. I will share it at the end of the tutorial of me making it, and yeah, I'll give it a little squish test, everything like that. So I hope you're all doing well, I hope you're staying safe, staying inside, and yeah, without further ado, I'm just going to get straight on into it. So as always with my mini squishies, I always use some foam. This is a new block of foam that I bought the other day so that I could stay inside and make loads of squishies and take up loads of my time whilst in self-isolation. So I bought this piece of foam. It is just a kind of seat pad type thing. It's just a normal block of foam, and this is what I'm going to be using for my squishies going forward in the near future. So if you're able to get hold of a piece like this, you can buy it off of Amazon, that sort of stuff, or just upcycle an old seat kind of pad if it's made out of foam, then this will work for you. So I took a small bit of that foam and then just drew out like an egg shape, and then on the back of that, once it was all cut round like the outside, I then just rounded it off. So as you can see here, it kind of looks like half an egg. I then just cut it down a little bit to make it a little bit kind of thinner because it looked a little bit too chunky, and then I took an offcut piece and just cut out a little kind of dome like shape just to make the seed or the pit of the avocado. I often call it a seed. Some people call it a stone, a pit, loads of things. I've had this conversation a million times before on my channel. I'm gonna go seed. Anyway, so what you want to do is then glue the two pieces together. So I'm using my new favorite glue for squishy making, and that is Fabri-Tac. I'd never used this until recently, and it works amazingly. It like grabs so quickly and it doesn't leave a hard spot, which is just so good when it comes to squishies. So I'll leave a link to that down below. I bought mine off Amazon in the UK. So I mixed up some fabric paint and then I just started painting away. I mixed it up in a light green colour. I painted one side first, let that dry, painted the other side first, let that dry, and I did that about 6 times over until I built up a really nice layer and couldn't see any of the holes of the foam. I then painted a darker layer on to make like the skin of the avocado, and I did 2 layers of that. Then I used tulip slick paint in the colour brown and painted on like the little seed. What I then did was painted on the face, so I used some black puffy paint with a needle, and I just kind of really slowly painted that on, making sure it was nice and small and neat. I prefer actually using a needle over like a needle tool at the moment. I don't know, just works better. I then added some light pink either side of the eyes, some highlights to the eyes, and to the little seed as well. So as I said at the start of the video, this was the original avocado. It's so cute, so little. It is really nice and slow rising, I think, because I use such a slow rising foam to begin with. Yeah, if you look closely, you'll be able to see all the holes and stuff still in the foam. This is not a style that I use now. But it worked then because I had the right kind of type of foam. I don't use this foam anymore because it's really expensive. This is just like a slow rising memory foam, but as I had some when I made this, I obviously used that. For some reason there is a little bit missing in the mouth there. I don't really know what happened, but this is how today's squishy has turned out. So whilst it's still the same design, I think the new one is much better. It's much shinier. There's like not loads of holes in it all over. I absolutely love its little face. It's much flatter. I think the shaping of it is kind of better as well. It's much smoother and not like as lumpy bumpy. But yeah, really happy with how this one has come out. So the squish test of this one, hear all that air. It is nice and slow, just like the original one, if not, actually it's much slower. I just love it. I think it's so cute. It's nice and soft as well. Yeah, as you can see, this one here is definitely slower. Still rising, which is something I really like from my squishies. I don't know about anyone else. I'm having so much fun with little mini squishies again at the moment. I'm definitely a mini squishy fan over like an extra large jumbo one. So let me know if you like mini ones or jumbo ones better, because to be honest, I like mini ones. And yeah, I just love being able to store them all on my shelves, keep them all on display. I just love cute little things. Anyway, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. Please let me know what you'd like to see on this channel going forward. I'm going to try and be posting loads more so that I can at least get some extra minutes of people inside watching my content. And yeah, just staying safe away from everyone else, inside doing a little bit of crafting. I think it's just about time that we bring out some more videos for you to make. So anyway, I hope you have enjoyed it, and I will see you very soon for another video. Bye.